funniest cool car ever seen, and the wheel is pink and green. So this is my version of Hollis Premium. The final car it is. The final car is the white one. It's like Porsche. This is the second one. Time to open, guys. This is Mazda RX-7 FC Plan. Don't worry. Okay. Take it open. Cool, right? Things so good. And one is pink, one is green, and one is blue. And below it's green. Wow, the 77 and Drift HQ. That's like it's his drifting car. New rested car in my world. This, what the yacht, is the coolest car. And cool window Chris, like holding the skin. And the pink is the cool. Green is cool too. The coolest. And the Hummels logo. The drifting car. The coolest ever seen. This is Mazda RX-7 FC. About this. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe now.